y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra. As you can just see, I just got done working out because a bitch is on her grind. I don't got time to be gaining no weight, yeah. So I'll be working out every day in the morning. Today I had a late start. Let me take this gum out. Today I had a late start. Usually I go to the gym at like 6, but I didn't have work today because in my church I get ready with me. I explained why I didn't go to Vegas, and I was supposed to go to Vegas. I explained that in my last vlog. I was going on a trip, but I didn't end up going. But that set me my video upload schedule all off. Like my week was so stressful. Like it just was like whatever. But now that that's over, it's time. It's new beginnings. I'm not bringing none of that negative energy over here, okay? Because we don't do that over here. Positive energy. Today I want to go get new skincare because I ran out of shit. And when I run out of shit, I start getting lazy, which is like not bad. I've been taking my skin for granted, and I hate breaking out. I love my fair skin. So I'm gonna go to Sephora today and Target just to get a few things that I want to try out. And yeah, why the fuck is it so fucking dark? It's irritating. I'm gonna go get, and I have this band off because I have on a lace front unit, and I'm not trying to have my shit pulling up, so I had to get cute in the gym. Well, I had to get ghetto in the gym, honestly, because I was gonna walk in that bitch with a bonnet, but I'm like, that's ghetto. So, and yes, I did film a booty routine, so be looking out for that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take y'all with me on my day. I just want to get a whole bunch of videos out. I mean, I want to get one video out today. Then I want to get I want to get one video out today and record like 2 videos today, because I want to upload this week every day. Honestly, that's my goal. So yeah, and let's see what this day brings. Okay, gorilla. So I'm about to go home right now and take a shower and get dressed, and I will see y'all when I get done. Okay, y'all, so it's been a little bit. I'm with my sister right now. You want to be on camera?
No. Don't.
She don't want to be on camera, so. But yeah, I'm about to go to Sephora because, like I said earlier, I needed to get some new products because I've been kind of breaking out a little bit. So yeah, we're on our way there now, and then we are gonna eat at the Cheesecake Factory because it's right there, and I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day. So yeah, we at the gas station right now. She gotta get gas or whatever. What the fuck?
He big as fuck.
He's weird. But they got a Porsche though, so shit. That money loan, you know what I'm saying?
So it's probably old ass.
Just kidding. But yeah, we're in her car right now. Y'all like my fanny pack? I got it from Target. What the fuck are you looking at? The fuck? What?
You?
So I guess we'll vlog when get there. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
You.
Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do her makeover challenge when she's comfortable being on camera. So I know y'all been asking, but yeah, when she's comfortable, that's when she'll get on camera. No rush. Okay. Play that one song. That when he was like, I'm obsessed with you.
How you know that song?
All my niggas, they gorillas from the backyard. shit. Another rich nigga test not in the store, you can't find it. I got stacks on me and they won't fit no wallet. I got on another way, cut the head off the porch. Running with a pack of wolves, ain't no store. VIP with AKs, very important.
This is my favorite future outfit.
Always ride with a mask. Young nigga playing with a pinky ring. Cost over 500 back. Had the majority of the packs. Striking it off like a match. Going in the sky over 20,000. I keep my Wi-Fi lit. I spend over 5,000. That's just someone fit.
If I had a motherfucking accent, I'd be like, hey y'all. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, I don't know why my face so oily. Like, but yeah, we just made it to the mall, West Town Mall. Okay, biracial. But yeah, we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory, and we're going into Sephora. I just need skincare because I can't be looking like this. Okay, girl, she's still cheap. But why she got that heavy ass trench coat on? Probably cold and rain. But anyways, we are here. For the last time. Tear. Remember you model for them? Yeah, and I'm pregnant. Model at Boston Store. That's crazy. What?
On camera.
You're. Oh wait. I'm gonna do an OOTD white t-shirt. Zara. OOTD white t-shirt from Zara, fanny pack, leggings, and Nike. So yeah, I need skincare, girl. You can browse. Oh, this is what I want to try. I need to say it because I'm not gonna buy the full. Listen, I don't buy the full thing shit until I feel like what?
You got hair all over it.
That fucking name. Okay, what's it?
Your little string leaves is sticking up.
Is it clear? The lighter used to be better. What about now?
No, it's dark.
Why is it dark like that?
I don't know. Stand in some light.
I thought you were like videotaping me.
Oh no.
Something? Should I smile?
Do you work here?
Security.
Oh. Yeah, I need a
Next.
I sample things before I buy the full thing, okay? And this is what I'm gonna try too. But I'll probably
This lighting is good.
I'm gonna get the True Serum. They got a $20 one. I might just buy it. And I need the ice cream. All the redneck. Oh, it's so much shit.
You finna get all that?
Sample. I was just gonna buy this though. Hi, I need to try some samples.
Yeah, yeah.
These so far.
Okay.
Does this work good? Have you heard good things?
This is very new. So
Yeah, I
far,
know.
we're liking the way it looks. I haven't heard how it works because it hasn't been out long enough for anybody to really give it its time.
Okay.
But yeah, you can make these samples.
Thank you. And I need.
Girl.
Okay, you can turn it off now. Too many people. It's fucking scary.
Okay, turn it off.
Yeah.
How you do this? I'm acting
So, y'all,
like
we just got to the Cheesecake Factory. Ayy. And the best bread ever. OMG. To start off, I got a water.
bougie.
How the fuck am I bougie? Gonna keep it PG-13 tonight.
I should have asked for no ice.
Yeah, I'm about to eat this fucking food. I'm so fucking hungry. Y'all, they was spinning like a motherfucker in fucking Sephora. I'm like, what the fuck is you looking at? You ain't never seen an Instagram photo taken before? Like, what? And then the manager was asking the security, and he was like, I guess because the security came up to us and was like, why are you guys recording? And I was like, because I'm a YouTuber. And then he's like, oh my god, I knew it. I'm like, yeah, bitch, you knew it. Don't say nothing if you know already. No, just just kidding. Alright, so we're just gonna wait for our food, and I'm gonna look at my pictures, see if I like them. And yeah, not too much going on here. So y'all, I'm about to pay for the fucking bill. But this bitch talking about, I'm like, oh, you got a tip? She's like, yeah, $5. Like, this man was so fucking good to us.
Bitch.
And she's gonna give me $5.
Ooh.
Like,
Don't let me make
but I'm gonna leave him a tip on my card.
this. All she left.
$3. But I
motherfucking
told you I'm gonna put something on my card. Because I feel like, you know, these workers be going above and beyond for us, and we just don't appreciate it. And he was really nice, and I really appreciate that because, you know, I'm a black woman, and some black people just don't get treated right. And when a white person treats you right at a restaurant, like, I really take that.
Sugar.
So we're about to go. I need to go get some ice cream. But yeah.
Ice cream, girl.
Ice cream. Remember Mr. Oh, look at them bumps on my head. Yeah.
Girl, they used to be parked.
So y'all, I was just reading this message from Jody. Let's see. I don't want to put what the fuck? Why is it not from Jody? Y'all, these messages like this just keep me going. Like, I read all of my requested messages. I never pass them up. People be like, oh my god, you replied. I'm like, yeah girl, I'm just a regular person. Like, this shit.
So, mama, when is we gonna do this picture for mama?
I was talking to my subscribers. Why are you interrupting me?
Bitch, don't nobody come before your fucking mama.
But anyways,
I'll let you finish.
but yeah, the messages that I get from y'all, I love y'all so fucking much. Like, it just means a lot to me. Like, I'm not even where I want to be, but you know, this stuff like this just makes me just want to keep pushing. I love y'all so much. It's crazy. I never thought I could love anybody. I don't have kids to love. I don't have a dog to love. I have my mom and sister, but that's it. I don't have no nigga.
Bitch!
I'm just playing. Okay. It feels so fucking good out here. Like, this just reminds me of when we used to go to the beach and go eat ice cream. Like, those are the summer nights that I used to do. Summer nights at the beach. Thank you.
Be a model.
I try. I'm gonna try.
Wait, what day? On TV or something. If you want something to put it back.
My goodness. Thank God it's warm outside.
It need to hurry up and get cold.
They need to offer this man a car. Where is Drake? Drake,
Bitch!
come give this man a fucking car. He is out here with his kids. And I think he just took them shopping. Like, I hate seeing shit like that. Like, but I guess it's quality time. But still.
Bro, I'm stuck rich. Your bitch like pull up and do that one shit. Talk to her while I fuck, make her come. My haters need it. I put my chains in the freezer, they too lit. Somebody get them boys to the hospital, they too sick. I do all real shit. My little brother coming home to a meal ticket. But people get little Neff growing up, he turned 11 quick. But he can't drink none of this pop because it's medicine. I had to get rid of my 40, that bitch evidence.
So y'all, I'm pretty much home. I am home now. I'm just catching up on vlogs. I'm watching Jayla. Korean. Aaliyah J uploaded 2. Aaliyah uploaded 2. I gotta watch 2 of Jayla's videos. But yeah. That's pretty much it. This night is pretty much come to an end. I wish I had some ice cream, but I don't. But that's alright. So I'm just gonna wash my face, rub my hair. I gotta go back to work in the morning. Oh, I have to edit a video that I'm posting tomorrow, so I gotta do that. So I'm just gonna be up for a while. So yeah. I'm just gonna watch this, Kardashians, Insecure, and then I'll start a video. I'm such a procrastinator.